Hola, ¿cómo estás? Support our Compassion International Child Scarlet this week by giving you extra money at 605.
Hey, welcome to 605 vlog if you didn't get that. Come to ESPN this Sunday. Stands for Epic Sunday Party Night. This week we're gonna play a live game of Clue, so you should be there for that. And then the following week on the 30th, we are going to play Murder Mystery, and you have to sign up for that so we can give you a person. So sign up for that as soon as you can. Next week, everybody's gonna dress up for 605. We're gonna call it Costume 605. So come dress up in a costume next week. What are you doing? Stop! What are you doing?
Roar!
But make sure you don't wear any inappropriate costumes that show too much or, are too scary. Oh my gosh. Also, don't forget about Student Life. Sign up for that as soon as you can. The early deposit stops next week. Stop! Student Life is going to be June 21st through the 25th. And the total cost is $355. We're going to see Christian Stanfill. He's going to be really great, so you should be there. You're freaking me out. Make the last announcement.
Fall Serve is going to be November 11th and 12th. More details soon. Cost is $10. Thanks for coming.
Can you take it off now?
See ya.
Take it off.
Meow.
Can you take it off now?